I'm Barbara. Today I'm showing you how to make a really easy recipe, frozen protein pops. They're low carb, gluten-free, and a cool, refreshing treat on a hot summer day. Ready to make them? Let's go. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.